This Cub Cadet features a 22 horsepower Kohler engine. Here's your throttle. Only showing 61.9 or 62 hours on the meter. Got a 42-inch deck. Got a little bit of dirt on it right now, but it's in good shape. Hood's in good shape. Another shot of the deck. Going over the controls real quick. Already showed you the throttle. Here's cruise control and your parking brake set. And over here's your ignition switch. So you've got on, and then turning it one more time starts it. And then you might have noticed in the video, I was struggling to get this set right to go backwards. But essentially, whenever it's running, in order to mow backwards, you move it to this yellow position. Took me a couple of tries there whenever I was demonstrating it. The seat is adjustable forward and back. You got some springs on the back for some added suspension. You can see your batteries back here. Over here you've got your deck height adjustment, and this is your PTO, or there's no electric PTO. This is your mower deck engagement. Taking a look at the back side. If you ever need to move it, whenever it's not running, you have to pull this out first. Got storage containers here. Again, there's a little bit of mud and dirt on it. We just power washed it. Here's your fuel tank fill. Fuel tank's right here. Both headlights work. It's in really great condition. No major dings or dents or scratches or anything like that. This thing's ready to go. If you're interested in this machine, if you have any questions about it, or if you'd like to take it for a test spin, you can call or text 660-537-3588, or you can email us at info@richland-sales.com. Hey, thanks for watching.